can hear me, just like chat on yes on the chat box. Okay, Ji, let's start, Ji. So the very first topic which we are going to do in our math is known as factors and multiples. So the topic which we are going to discuss is factors and multiples. Can everybody see the whiteboard? Musa and Mustafa, can you see the whiteboard and can you hear me? If yes, okay, good. So we are doing factors and multiples. Now let's take a number 16 and we try to find pairs by which we can make 16. So we know 2 by 8 is 16, 8 by 2 or 2 by 8 is the same thing. What other factors can, what other pair can we make, can be 16? 4 into 4. So another pair is 4 into 4, 16 into 1. So these are all pairs which can make 16. Taha, can you hear me? Taha, if you can hear me, just write yes on the chat box. Okay. So we are doing factors and multiples. And my question was how many pairs are there to make 16? So we did 2 by 8, 4 by 4, 16 by 1. Is there any other pair which we multiply to get 16? I guess no. So these three pairs, all these numbers are what? 2, 8, 4, 1. Let's write in ascending order. Ascending order means from smaller to bigger. So 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. These all are what? Factors of number 16. Okay. Numbers which when multiplied by each other makes up a specific number are known as factors. So these all are what? They all are factors of 16. Okay. In other word, we can say these all number they can divide what? They can divide number 16. Okay. If you divide them with number 16, you will get whole number. Like 16 by 8 is 16 by 2 is 8. 16 divided by 1 is 16. 16 divided by 4 is 4. 16 divided by 8 is 2. 16 divided by 16 is 1. So you can see what these numbers are divisible. Okay. So we say 16 is divisible. When it is a factor, it can be divided. So 16 is divisible by all these numbers. All these numbers. Is this clear to everybody? What are factors? Factors are numbers which make up, when multiplied with each other number, they make up a number. Okay, let's try to find the factors of 4. Or let's say 4. How many pairs are there to make 4? Everybody write down your answer on chat box. How many pairs are there? Write down the pairs. By how many ways when we multiply two numbers we can get 4? Write it down. Very good. So it's 1, 4, 1 into 4 and 2 into 2. Very good. So only these twos are present. So the possible factors are what? 1 into 4 and 2 into 2. So these all are what possible factors. Is there, Taha, is there any other way we can make 4? Taha, is there any other way we can make 4? Good. So the possible factors are, what are the factors? 1, 1, 2, 4. And in other way, what we can say, these numbers 4 is divisible, because when they are factors, they can also divide the number. So 4 is divisible by these numbers. So it is clear what are factors, right? Okay. And when we did an example of 4, the possible numbers of factors were 1, 2, 4. For 16, 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. So these are factors of 16 and these are factors of 4. Achha. What about this number on the left hand side? What about this number? This number on the left side, which is known as multiple, is known as multiple. Okay. So this is what? Multiple of. So 16 is multiple of all these factors. So 16 is multiple of all these factors, while 4 is a multiple of all these factors. So 4 is a multiple of all these factors and 16 is a multiple of all these factors. Is it clear what is the difference between a factor and a multiple? Multiple is a number and factors are those pairs which make up that multiple. Clear? Okay. Now what you need to do is, you need to make the multiples of a number I will be writing down a number and you make the multiples of it. Okay? Make all possible multiples of number 20. Sorry, factors. 20 is a number, made all possible factors of 20. And write your answer on the chat box. Make all possible factors of number 20. G. What are the factors of 1 into 20, 10 into 2, 5 into 4? Very good. Good. And Aga and Taha, Musa and Mustafa, always remember 1 is also a factor of every number, because when you multiply 1 with any number you get the answer. Okay? So for 20, what are the factors? What are the factors? Yes. So factors for 20 can be made by 1 into 20. Other option is what? 2 into 10. Other option is 5 into 4. And then there is no other option, right? So the factors for 20 is 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. So these all are what? Factors for number 20. Good. And in other words, we can say what? 20 is a multiple of all these factors. 20 is a multiple of all these factors. Okay, good. Now let's try to make factor of number 3. Everybody write factors of number 3. What are the factors of number 3? Hmm. Okay. Jitaha, what are the factors of 3? Okay. Oh, okay, Musa. 1.5 is a decimal number of fraction number. Whenever we take factors, we always take whole number and teacher's number. Okay? We cannot take decimal numbers. Okay? Always remember that. Okay? Mustafa, is it clear? Okay, it is clear to everybody. Whenever we talk about factors, we take a whole number, not decimal or fractions. Okay? So the factors of 3 is 1 and 3. What about factors of 5? What about factors of 5? 5 can be 1 into 5. 7 is what? 1 into 7. Right? Acha. What about 9? Tell me the factors of 9. Okay, very good. Ta 1 into 9 and yes, very good. So it can be 1 into 9 or 3 into 3. Okay. Now everybody pay attention. Now if you see these numbers 5, 3 and 7, you will notice that it has only two factors, 1 and itself, right? 1 and itself. 5 has also two factors, 1 and it itself. 7 and has also two factors, 1 and 7. While 9 or 20 has more than two factors, like 1, 9, 3. It has three factors over here. We have over here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? Those numbers which have only two factors, 1 and itself, they are known as prime numbers. They are known as prime numbers. What are prime numbers? What are prime numbers? Prime numbers are those numbers which has only two factors. Okay, so I'm writing down the definition of prime number. You people also write it down. Okay. So prime numbers, write it down in copies, everybody. Prime numbers are those numbers prime numbers are those numbers which have only two factors, 1 and itself. And the example of prime numbers are what? 3, 5, 7. Everybody write down this definition with examples. Okay. So what are prime numbers? Prime numbers are those numbers which have only two factors, 1 and itself. And these are the example of prime number. When you people are done writing, let me know. Yes. So write it down. When you are done, when you are done writing the definition down in your copy, let me know. Okay, write it down. Is everybody done writing a definition of prime number? Okay, good. Now we will move. Now we will move towards composite number. Okay. Now, if you notice the other numbers, for example, 4. Let's do now. What is a composite number? Those numbers which are not prime number are known as what? Composite number. For example, we take the example 4 was 1, 2, 4. The factor for 10 is what? 1 into 10, 2 into 5, right? So these are the factors. Now composite numbers are those numbers, everybody write it down. Composite numbers are those numbers which have more than two factors. Okay, so composite numbers are those numbers which have more than two factors. And examples are 4, 10, 20. We also did an example of 20. It was 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, and 20. So these were the factors of 20. Okay, so these are the examples. When you are done writing this definition, let me know. Composite, the spelling of composite is COMPOSITE. Okay. Ibrahim, can you hear me? If you can hear me and see the whiteboard, type yes on the chat box. Can you hear me, Ibrahim? When everybody is done, let me know. Okay. Okay, Ibrahim, we are doing prime numbers and composite number. Write down the definition of composite numbers and examples which I have written on the board. When you are done, write yes on the chat box. Okay. Is everybody done? When you are done, write done with the definition, write yes. See, Taha, are you done? Taha, are you done? Okay, good. Taha is also done. Okay. Now let's move forward. Now what you need to do is you need to write prime numbers on your copy. You need to write prime numbers from all the prime numbers from 1 till 50. So now what you need to do, the classwork is what? You need to write down all prime numbers from 1 till 50. And we all know what are prime numbers. Prime numbers are those numbers which have only two factors. Okay. So everybody write down this question and write down your answers on a copy. Write down all prime numbers from 1 till 50. Everybody start your classwork. Then we will discuss. Okay. Start doing it on copies. Ibrahim, is it clear? You joined late. Is it clear to you what are prime numbers? Should I repeat it for you, Ibrahim? Okay, good. So write down this question on your copy and write down all the prime numbers from 1 till 50. When everybody is done, let me know. Good, Taha. What about others? Mustafa, Musa, Ibrahim? Are you done? Ibrahim, are you done? Okay. Okay, we will discuss the answers right now. Okay. So everybody should check your answers. Okay. We are discussing it right now. So the question was write down the prime numbers from 1 till 50. Okay. Now the prime numbers from 1 till 50 are, we know that prime numbers are those numbers which have only two factors. Now let's start with 1. So 1 can be made as 1 into 1, right? Are there any other factors of 1? J. Are there any other factors of 1? Yes, good. So there are no other factors of 1. So one has only one factor, which is 1. Now, what is the definition of prime numbers? Prime numbers are those numbers which have two different factors, one and itself. But one has only one factor, right? So one is not a prime number. One is not a prime number. So everybody write this down. One is not a prime number because it has only one factor. It has only one factor. Okay. What is the definition of composite number? Composite numbers are those numbers which have more than two different factors. But one has only one factor, so one is also not a composite number. One is also not a composite number because it has only one factor. It has only one factor. So one is not a prime number nor it is a composite number because it has only one factor. Everybody should write it down. Okay. Has everybody written it down? Write these 2 points down. When you are done, let me know. Mustafa and Ibrahim, have you written it down about 1? Okay. So 1 is neither a prime number nor a composite number. Why? Because it only has one factor. Now let's move on to 2. 2 has how many factors? 1 into 2. So it has only two factors, 1 and 2. So 2 is a prime number. 3 is also a prime number, right? So 2, 3 is a prime number. What about 4? Is 4 a prime number? Let's find the factors of 4. 4 can be made as 4 into 1 and 2 into 2. Now if you notice 4 has how many factors? 1, 2 and 4. It has more than 2 factors. So 4 is not a prime number. Mustafa Musa, 4 is not a prime number. What's the definition of prime number? That it has only two factors, one and itself. So 4 is not a prime number. What about 5? 5 is what? 1 and 5. There are no other factors. So 5 is a prime number. 6 is not a prime number because 2 into 3 is 6 and 6 into 1 is 6. 7 is a prime number, 1 into 7. 8 is not a prime number because 8 can be done in the table of 2. 9 is not a prime number. 10 is not a prime number. 11 is a prime number. 1 into 11 is 11. So 11 is a prime number. 13 is a prime number. 15 is not a prime number. Why? 3 fives are 15. 15 ones are 15. So 15 is not a prime number. 17 is a prime number. 19 is a prime number. 21 is what? 3 into 7 is 21. And 21 into 1 is also 21. So 21 is also not a prime number. 23 is a prime number. 27 is a prime number. 29 is a prime number. 31 is a prime number. 37 is a prime number. 41 is a prime number. 43 is a prime number. 47 is a prime number. So these are all the prime numbers from 1 till 50. Check your answers and correct them if they are wrong. Up till from 1 till 50, these are all the prime numbers. And you got it how to check for the prime number. You need to list down all the factors. If their factors are more than 2, then it's a composite number. Otherwise, if it only has two factors, one in itself, then it is a prime number. Everybody check your answers. Okay. Musa, you also. See, Taha. Taha, you got it? So these are the prime numbers. I hope it's clear. Now I hope it is clear what is a prime number and what is a composite number. It's clear to everybody now? Okay. And we now are also clear that 1 is neither a prime number nor a composite number. Why? Because 1 has what? 1 has only one factor. Now let's move on to multiples. We will do questions for multiples. Okay. Now we learned that, for example, for 4, 1, 2, 4 are what? Factors of 4, and 4 is a multiple, right? Right? So if I ask you what are the multiples of 4? What are multiples of 4? So what does it mean? It means those numbers which 4 can divide. So the answer is those numbers which 4 can divide and get a whole number and get a whole number. What does it mean? The question is what are the multiples of 4? So the answer is those numbers which 4 can divide. So 4 can divide 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 8 divided by 4 is 2. Right? 12 divided by 4 is 3. 16 divided by 4 is 4. So basically all those numbers which are in table of 4 are what? Are multiple of 4. Table number which are in table of 4 are multiples of 4. So what are multiples of 4? Those numbers which are in the table of 4. Is it clear? Is this clear? What are multiples of 4? All those numbers which are in the table of 4, or numbers which can 4 divide, numbers which can be divided by 4 without any remainder. Is it clear to everybody? Everybody write down table of 4 from 4. Write down table of 4 till 10. Everybody on your copies write down the table of 4 from 1 till 10, and then write down the numbers on the chat box. Has everybody written it down? Not till 10. You need to write the multiples of 4. And I'm telling you that multiples are all those numbers which come in a table. So you just write table from 4. 4 ones are 4 up till 10. 4 tens are 40. Okay? That's what I'm saying. Okay, Ibrahim? Go, good, good, Taha. Good, Musa. You have written up till. Very good. And so on. So you everybody got it? What's the concept of multiple? Everybody got the concept of what is a multiple? Okay. Now you need to write multiples of 6 up till 100. Everybody write down multiples of 6 up till 100. Okay? Till 100, from 1 till 100. How many? Write down all the multiples of 6. Okay? Write it down. When you are done, let me know. Write down multiples of 6 from 1 till 100. When you are done, let me know. Write down the multiples of 6 from 1 till 100. Okay, Mustafa 102 and Musa 102 will not be the factor, will not be the multiple. I told you up till 100. So your last multiple should be 96, not 102. Okay, is this clear? Very good, Taha. So the I said up till 100, so the last one should be 96. Is it clear, Ibrahim? Have you done it, Ibrahim? Okay, good. So this is for today. I will be posting your homework on the group, on the match group. So everybody should complete their homework. And again, we will meet tomorrow at the same time at 12 o'clock. So everybody should be on time. It's good to be 5 minutes before the class. Okay? So be on time, everybody. See you tomorrow at 12. And check your homework. I posted it in your group. Okay? Okay, Allah Hafiz, everybody. Allah Hafiz.